A very happy Holi to all my lovely people. Namaskaram, welcome back to my channel. This is your Shri. 1 week gap. I couldn't put any videos last week because my son's exam was there and I was a little busy with that. And this week there is again a healthy laddu recipe. Please don't look at me like that to see what is she. She always comes up with some laddu recipe because this laddu is my own invention. How it has come, because my son has got a sweet tooth. He wants something or other sweet dishes to be prepared for him, but then that is not good for him always to be to eat sweets. So this laddu, actually this invention has come from my mother. My mother used to give us roasted chana dal, this chutney dal we say, and in Tamil it is vadchakadlai. So that dal and some jaggery or some kishmish she used to give us in a katori as a evening snack. That is very nutritious also. But then now if I give the same stuff to my son, what is this? Is this a kind of a snack? So that's how this laddu has been invented by me, and it is very nutritious and healthy. Weight watchers and diabetic people, everybody can eat this laddu. I am diabetic. I take this laddu whenever I wanted to eat something sweet. So without taking much of your time, let's get into the recipe. For this laddu, I have taken 2 cups of roasted gram into a pan. Added just few drops of ghee. It's almost like 1/4 teaspoon, and we have to roast this for almost 2 to 3 minutes until the raw aroma is gone. This power packed protein rich roasted grams are good source of healthy carbohydrates. Also they are rich in fiber and protein. It has got outstanding source of good vitamins and minerals. Also it increases heart health and regulates cholesterol levels in the body. Also it's suitable for diabetic for its low glycemic index. So this is completely a power packed nutrition for everybody, even kids and elders and everybody. This is completely a plant based high protein rich food, I can say. See, now these are done. The color should not change. So see, look at this. These are exactly done now. I just switched off the gas. Here I am adding half a cup of kishmish, an underrated, a nutrient filled powerhouse, I can say, because we always use kishmish only in payasam and all, otherwise we don't use this. And I have added few pods of elaichi. Everything has to be added to the mixer and then we'll grind into a fine powder. This is done now. I am just transferring this to a bowl. We will add an interesting ingredient into this to make laddu. Yes, this is ghee. I have taken pure cow ghee, half a cup of pure cow ghee, and I'll add some mixed nuts. You choose whatever nuts you wanted to. I have taken some cashews, some badam and some chiranji. Just roast them until they become golden brown. See, they are done now. We will just transfer this to the ground roasted gram flour. So it's very hot. Let us not touch this. We'll just mix it with the spatula. So everything is mixed properly. Let us leave this for some time because it has to get cooled. So after once it is cooled, we will make laddus. See, now it has got cooled, and I feel it is little dry. I have added some more ghee to make laddu. See, I am not able to make laddu actually. so I have added some more ghee into it. So our sugar-free, nutritious, power-packed laddus are ready. Hope you like my video, like my recipe, the healthy laddu recipe. If at all you like it, please share to your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button. Also, click that notification button so that next videos you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Holi. Have a happy and safe Holi. Take care. Bye.